Hare Krishna, everyone. Today we are distributing khichdi by the mercy of Sundar Madhav Prabhu because of his help. So he is my brother-in-law and he is helping me in this.
Hare Krishna.
This is his first time in Vrindavan Dham.
Oh, really? First time?
Yeah.
First time.
How is possible? You're from which city?
Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Ranchi.
I'm from Russia. And I'm living here.
Again?
No, it's working.
Yeah. So yeah, we've been seva here in the Dham. It feels very, very joyous to serve the Brijvasis, and everyone should come here and do some seva and contact Sundar Madhav Prabhu. And by doing this, your bhakti increases. Yeah, and you get mercy from the Vaishnavas, from the Brijvasis. Yeah. Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
really, this is very important.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I am joke, of course, I'm joking.
No issue.
But a little bit serious.